Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. Soon you'll be officially able to play your Android games on Windows. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, it's no secret that you can more or less unofficially access Android apps on PC through services here like BlueStacks. I'll drop a link to this video in the description below in the event that you want to learn a little more. Now, Google has announced they will have an official way to play Android games on PC, and this is pretty huge. And this is going to happen much sooner than you might think, starting in 2022, which is just around the corner here. At some point next year, basically, Google does plan on having Android games available on PC. And I want to emphasize here, officially, because that is a really big point. Now, to get this all to work, apparently we're going to have to install a program called Google Play Games, and everything is contained within that program, which really isn't a bad thing for a couple of reasons. Number one here, these games are not going to be cloud streamed. They'll be installed directly to your device, which means gameplay will be a lot better. And number two here, gameplay will sync between your PC and your mobile devices. Now, I for one am extremely excited about this. I think this is going to be huge for Android gaming. If you have a phone that maybe doesn't run the latest games, you'll probably be able to run them through your own PC, considering a PC is, well, it's generally more powerful than a cell phone. Not always, but generally here. So that might give a lot more people access to Android games they wouldn't normally be able to play. Or iOS users who don't have access to these great games, well, they now might be able to play them. On top of that, the Steam Deck here has the ability to run Windows, which would make the Steam Deck more of a potential all-in-one system. Now, yes, it's no secret, and I'm not defending this here. Mobile games are not near as good as PC or console games. That's not even really up for debate in my book. But yes, there are some pretty darn good Android games. For example, Rocket League Sideswipe here, which I actually enjoy more than the real version of Rocket League. And I have sunk a ton of hours into the real version. At the end of the day here, you might not think this is big news, but I am all for it and I'm excited about it. We don't yet have a full games list, we don't know the official launch date yet, and we don't know how it's actually gonna work, but I can't wait to test it out. Anyways, that is all I've got for this video. Let me know your thoughts about Google Play Games on Windows in the comments below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.